Using the new smart fire-rated downlight from V-TAC, achieve a centralized home lighting system right from your mobile. So, how does it work? Download the V-TAC SMART app on the App Store or the Play Store. Make sure your downlights are switched on and pair your downlights.
Dim the lights and choose from a palette of color temperatures on the app.
Create lighting groups and assign paired downlights for each lighting group. Name the group, choose an icon, and set which downlights should light. In the kitchen, dining area, bedroom, you name it. So what are you waiting for? Visit VTACexports.com to know more about the new smart downlight.